So I thought I'd do a quick update and a video on the tractor with all the welding and a video of spraying as well. I'm going to record this throughout the week, so it'll probably be up next week. And it's the same day that I just recorded the tractor video before going to the quarry, so you might see that up before this video. Might not, I'm not sure. But I've just cut all these bits. I've got an extra long bit for all that. I've just got to cut it down to the right bit so it'll fit it all. I've labelled them up like this is for the bottom of the bonnet, so I put bottom left 2, left 3, and left 1, and yeah. And that's bottom right, and then top left, and then whatever number. And this is the top right, obviously. So yeah, these are all the bits that need to be cut out. This is the most severe bit, I think. Oh, it's horrible. What we're going to do, I cleaned up this, sanded down the welds, ready to be sprayed. I've then got to fix this hole here. Not sure what I'm going to do. I think I might just put a patch on like the underside there, and hope that fixes it. Tiniest little bit of welding to do up here. There you go. And one little bit on the side there, and then I've got to fix all the way down there. So yeah, quite a bit of welding really. I hope to get it done by today. So it's Saturday. If I can get it done by today, and prime it. Well, yeah, prime it tomorrow, red oxide or grey, and then I will be able to spray it, hopefully, on Sunday or Monday. As I said in the quarry video, I said I was going to go and get a new tractor the next couple of days. John Deere 1950. And the one with the 2-wheel drive, not 4-wheel drive, unfortunately, but it has got a loader. So I'm going to be driving that back, and we'll be doing a video. I have said in the other video, let me know you want. But right, I'll start cutting these bits out, and I'll get back to you then. Right. So I've done some grinding on the bonnet now, and I cut this out ready for that piece to go on, and they're all cut. I just need to cut all the bits from there. Yeah, and then I just need to get the bottom of the bonnet done, and then once that's done, I'll be grinding it down and priming it. Right, so the next day, we've done all the welding. All the welding's done, and we have actually filled it. Filler was put in to all the low spots, and built all that up, and as well as the bottom there. So there is new patches in there. So now it looks rusty, but it's not. It isn't. It is clean. I have just gone over it with thinners, and we are about to spray. Got all the other bits here ready, and yeah, that's it. I think she's all ready to go. Once she's got the undercoat, I'm going to put the bonnet back together and spray it all in one go, as well as the wings, and that should be good. Yeah. Right, so I pulled the tractor out of the workshop. She's all she's looking smart. She looks different outside than she does in the workshop. She looks a lot better. And then just got to put a few bits on, and then that should be it. Like, but as well as that, we took the stuff from outside the workshop, and it is all painted, which looks good. Wings are there, the bonnet's just there, but there's a fuel tank. But yeah, it looks looking pretty good. But yeah, just they were touching, so better not. That's it. Anyway, yeah, I'll make a little bit of me putting it back together. Right, she's back together now. Finished. We bump started her because we wanted to make sure she would run good. She is now.